So good day. So today I will be creating a video lesson, a very basic video lesson on how to upload your YouTube videos to your YouTube channel. Until now, there are a lot of my students, clients, subscriber who doesn't understand how to publish their YouTube channel in public. There should be a comment section once you publish your YouTube. It must not be for kids viewers. It's because this is our educational channel, so we need to activate or turn on the comment section for them to send comment to your YouTube video from your YouTube channel. So to begin, let's start editing first this video, wherein this is one of the most and important video for me, and this video is my favorite video by the Bee Gees. It's because of the content of the lyrics. So the lyrics is very meaningful, and that is good video, good sounds, and good video lyrics content. Okay, so to start, let's start now editing this video. So next we need to open the Wondershare Filmora. While waiting for the application to load, so please stay tuned. Filmora is a free software designed for Windows for the beginners, and there are some advanced features that we can also use to become a professional onliners for the video content that we want to upload. So we wait for the system to fully loaded on the computer's memory. So this has a minimum requirements for this application to perform well. Okay, so to begin, so click new project. Okay, so we don't need to upload this, so click close, click remind me later. Okay, so next I need to stop first the OBS application for me to be able to get the video before that I've already captured